Welcome to Motorbike News Channel. Sophisticated twin-bore fuel injection is used on the SCR to deliver excellent throttle response. 3D maps for ignition timing and fuel injection deliver outstanding acceleration in the mid and low speed ranges. The 58 cubic inch, 942 cubic centimeters, engine is an air-cooled SOHC 60 degrees V-twin with 4 valves per cylinder, a pent-roof-shaped combustion chamber, and 9.0:1 compression ratio. The engine is ideal for exploring unpaved roads off the beaten track and powering out of tight corners. A 2-in-1 exhaust pipe layout on the right side of the engine contributes to the lively performance and styling of the machine, with an upswept muffler for improved ground clearance and a pleasing exhaust note. The SCR950's wet multiplate clutch system uses a rubber damper to absorb shocks and smoothly transfer power, while a wide ratio 5-speed transmission makes the most of the torque of the big V-twin to provide both relaxed gear ratios and plenty of thrust on demand.